Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify APNs token registration issues on iOS step by step clearly. To verify APNs token registration issues on iOS, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have Xcode installed and the appropriate iOS device or simulator available. Navigate to your project settings in Xcode. Confirm that your app's bundle identifier matches the one registered in your Apple developer account. Check that your APNs capabilities are enabled under the Signing and Capabilities tab. Build and run your app on the device or simulator. Open the device logs using Xcode's console. Listen for any error messages related to APNs registration. Next, implement the UN User Notification Center delegate methods in your app delegate or scene delegate. Request authorization for notifications. Make sure to include the option to receive remote notifications. Once permission is granted, register for remote notifications. Use the uiapplication.shared.register for remote notifications method. Monitor that application _ did register for remote notifications with device token callback. Print the device token to the console for verification. If the token isn't printing, check if the device is connected to the internet. Investigate common issues such as network connectivity or incorrect entitlements. Verify that the app is not in the simulator, as APNs registration is only supported on physical devices. Ensure that the device's notification settings allow for your app to receive notifications. Review the provisioning profiles to confirm that APNs is enabled. If problems persist, consult the Apple developer documentation for detailed troubleshooting steps. Evaluate the remote server code for any issues in handling the device token. Consider using a tool like Postman to test your APN server integration. If necessary, regenerate the APN certificate or key in your Apple developer account. After making changes, repeat the registration process to gather the new device token. Finally, confirm that the device token is being properly sent to your server. Collect any logs or error messages and resolve them accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.